Hello, this is Dr. Iltefat Hamzavi from the Global Vitiligo Foundation, also at Henry Ford Hospital and a Hamzavi Dermatology Specialist. I want to talk to you today about using sunscreen on your deep pigmented patches if you're a member of the vitiligo community. Now, in this situation, there's two questions. Number one, do I get a sunburn? And do I need to protect myself against that sunburn? Number two, what is my risk of skin cancer? Now, to answer the first question, you can get a sunburn if you have deep pigmented patches. And if you get a sunburn, it can be uncomfortable. But if you have progressive vitiligo where you're getting new patches, that sunburn can trigger a worsening of your vitiligo. So you really want to protect yourself. And how can you do that? You can use chemical sunscreens, you can use shade, you can use shelter, and you can also use mineral-based sunscreens. So in general, it's always better to get shade and cover first, and then pick a sunscreen that you like. If you are out there for a short period of time, SPF of 30 should be fine. If you're out there for a longer period of time, you may want to consider a higher SPF, 60 up to 100. You can also use mineral-based sunscreens, which have a slightly grittier sense to them, but they don't have a chemical component that some people are concerned about. And then there are chemical sunscreens, which tend to spread easier and may have slightly more efficient sun protection. But those are all options that you can pick up. The second question is, do I have a higher risk of skin cancer? Well, the lucky answer today, based on our existing research, is that the risk of skin cancer in patients and members of the vitiligo community suggests that the risk is the same or lower than the general population. So just having vitiligo does not increase risk of skin cancer. But because of point 2, you don't want to destabilize your vitiligo, you don't want to have painful sunburns, you want to seek shade, you want to seek shelter, you want to use clothing, you want to use appropriate sunscreens. Hopefully this all helps. Have a good day.